My brother, this is Mr. K, and today I want to talk with you about the reasons why women will never get attracted towards you. So, my brother, I want you to watch this video till the very end because you are going to become attractive within 4 minutes. So, listen up. I know we have probably have had at least one girl interested in us. But what happened? She quickly stops responding to your messages. She quickly keeps you unread. So my brother, here is what you have to understand is she lost interest in you. But why did that happen? Here is what you don't understand. They loses interest real quick. How you will become interesting and why the woman should follow you, why the woman should be attracted towards you. My brother, before knowing that, I will tell you why the woman is losing interest in you because my brother, you are boring. Yes, you are boring. You have been the same person that you were a year ago. You don't have any new thing going on in your life. See, my brother, here is what you have to do. You have to keep that girl in the fourth, fifth, or sixth place of your priority list. See, my brother, if you keep her last place of your priority list, you will have so many other things to be doing in every day. So, my brother, you have to understand you should avoid her phone calls. You should not reply her messages right away. So, when you do this, my brother, she wants you to give your time to her, but you are investing your time in improving yourself, in making yourself happy, and you are becoming complete. So, this is the way that you have to keep your time valuable. With that said, my brother, here are the three things that will make you attractive instantly. So, the third one is my favorite, and that will make you literally blow the girls' minds. Don't skip this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. All the links are in the description. Go and check them out after this video. So, the first thing that you have to do is don't give your time to her so easily. Don't be so available all the time. You have to avoid her. You have to stop replying her messages right away. So, in this way, your time will become so valuable, and when she gets your time, she feel excited. Now let's come to second thing. The second thing is you have to make more money. Making more money is sexy. But my brother, you have to have the mindset of making more money. You have to have the mindset of saving more money. If you want to get the mindset of money, there is a playlist in my YouTube channel, Financial Literacy, and the link is there in the description. You can go check it out. Now it's time for the third thing, which is my favorite, and this is going to change your life forever. And that thing is you should go out hunting other girls. Yes, my brother, there is a ugly truth about girls. Girls will never want a man who is just having one or two girls interested in him. Girls want a man who have the following of so many girls. That shows that particular man is having competition from other girls and he is so attractive. This is what you have to do. Go out, have so many girls in your contact, and you will instantly become confident that you have so many girls. If even one girl leaves you, you have other girls in your option, and you don't feel embarrassed with one girl. This is the thing that you have to understand. You let the girl know that you have other girls also as option. My brother, that is the mistake that you are doing. You are sticking to one girl and getting emotional, being so good, giving everything to one girl. My brother, that is a mistake. Don't do this after this video. My brother, whoever subscribed to this channel, whoever watching this video, you are awesome. You are not a average man. You are a high value man. High value man will attract everyone just like that. Don't be average.